Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Dodge Journey Crossroad all-wheel drive. Stock number B9126P. 23,000 miles on this Journey. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Redline in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, as well as 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Journey seat 7, cloth interior, rear heat and air controls, additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats two. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. /50 split folding rear seat, folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean. This Crossroad has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, hard keys below for the things you use most often, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a spacious glove box, overhead, auto dimming mirror, homely transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6-liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new tires. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9126P to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.